Everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to be opening some Disney Doorables Let's Party series. I just saw I've seen a few videos of these and they just look really cute, so I wanted to try and open some. I got these from Target, I believe, and it says this can have 5, 6, or 7 figurines. So I already took the plastic off, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 little doors, 6 different figurines that we can get. Now, I believe let me see, which one is it? Oh, collect all 60. Oh, because there's different series, but this is the one I got, I think. Pool Party? God, which one is it? Let's Party. So which one is it here?
All of them are in there.
Oh, really? I don't know. I'm confused. I'm confused. But they're all really adorable. Oh my goodness. I really, anything we get, I really love. So let me.
Because it's all party. One's in the pool. One's
okay. So different parties. Okay. Well, let me go first. I'm gonna go right here. I saw something in there. Oh, 16. I wonder if that has some meaning. Probably, right? Oh man. Okay, what's our first one going to be? Oh my god. I was actually gonna say,
look at his eyes.
This is adorable. Goodness. Okay, let's try another one.
It's adorable. It is.
Oh,
adorable.
yeah. All right, let's try another one. Okay, pick a door. Which one do you want?
This one.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what you get. Oh my god. I'm guessing he's from the pool party. Here, let's show it. Oh my god. These are so cute. Okay, next door. All right, pick a door. Let me see. I can't see. Who's that?
What the?
Who is this? Is this
Isn't that the alligator from Tiana?
Tiana? What's his name? Louis or something?
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, it's really cute. Oh, it's really cute. It has it reminded me of Mardi Gras. So maybe, yeah. Look, with the beads and everything. Yeah, it probably is. Let's see. I will go with this one right here. Ooh, this thing. Goodness, this is. I'm hoping there's no repeats like within the same. I hope. Like the same box. Oh.
Oh, it's the little from Zootopia.
Oh yeah. Come on, focus. Oh, there it is. This is so adorable. Was it the one that was gonna get married?
Yeah.
Oh,
Shopping
cute.
bags. Look at her.
Oh my god. Yeah, she's adorable. Okay, pick a door. This one or this one? Which one do you want? That one? That one? Whatever. Just pick a door. Okay. Jasmine. Oh, so cute. Oh, pretty. All right, babe. Last one. You want me to help you or you got it? These are tough.
The doors are too small.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here are the 6 that we got from our first Doorable Doorable, yeah. Box that we got. These are so cute. Yeah, they're just so precious. How can I not buy more, right? Anyway, stay tuned for part 2. Take care. Until next time. Bye-bye.